Hey you guys, this is something that I made today that I posted in the DIY group, and I decided to put it on my regular page because y'all know when I get bored I start thinking of stuff to do. So this is what it is. It's just the mirrors from the Dollar Tree that I spray painted silver and wrapped it in diamond wrap, and those are napkin rings. And the ABC piggy bank blocks, they come in silver and gold, and you can use anything. They have so many different things that you can use at the Dollar Tree, but I just chose to get those blocks and cover it. I already had the mirrors. They were circles, so I didn't want to get anything round, so I just went with the square. And I just want something blingy to put a little couple of my trinkets on. So this is for those in my regular Facebook who's not into makeup but who loves to do DIY projects. This is something you can take from it or do the exact same thing. And it turned out cute. I'm gonna start putting this stuff on my YouTube. I know I keep saying it, but I've made like 20 things and I never really record. But I always go live in the DIY group doing it, but I never save it. So I might try to post it to this page, but lately when I've been trying to do that, it hasn't been working. It's giving me an error message. It won't let me post it to my regular Facebook page. So alrighty.